SEC asks NY court to deny Coinbase's breathtakingly broad subpoena request. The regulatory agency has taken umbrage with Coinbase's attempt to subpoena SEC Chair Gary Gensler's personal emails. Lawyers for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, are pushing back against what they describe as Coinbase's breathtakingly broad subpoena request, searching for essentially all documents that in any way relate to crypto. The court documents filed Monday are the latest jab in the ongoing fight between the SEC and Coinbase over the crypto exchange's attempt to subpoena the agency and its employees, including Chair Gary Gensler, for communications and other records that could potentially be useful for Coinbase's defense in its upcoming trial against the regulatory agency. The SEC filed civil charges against Coinbase last year, accusing the crypto exchange of operating as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. The SEC also charged Coinbase with the unregistered sale of securities in connection with its staking products. In April, Coinbase served the SEC with its first request for the production of documents. 2 months later, Coinbase told the SEC that it also planned to subpoena Gensler's personal communications related to crypto over the course of his tenure, plus 4 years before he was appointed chairman. Coinbase also served a similar subpoena on Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, where Gensler taught a class on blockchain technology before joining the SEC. However, the company recently informed the court that it wouldn't seek records from outside his agency role. The request for Gensler's personal communications appears to have been a bridge too far for the SEC, which has described this subpoena as a blatant impropriety. In a letter to the court on June 28, the SEC argued that the judge overseeing the case, District Judge Catherine Polk-Fiala of the Southern District of New York, SDNY, should reject Coinbase's request. Fiala called for a pre-trial conference held by phone on July 11 to discuss the competing requests. From the outset, Fiala appeared to be bewildered by Coinbase's request for Gensler's personal communications, particularly those predating his appointment as SEC chairman. I was kind of surprised, and not in a good way, Fiala said of Coinbase's motion on July 11. I found the arguments, at least as articulated in the July 3rd response, to border on the fatuous. I was not moved by basically any of the arguments. Fiala sent Coinbase back to the drawing board, ordering its lawyers to file a motion to compel as a starting point for the parties to work through the discovery dispute. Following the conference, Coinbase submitted its motion to compel to the court on July 23, slightly narrowing the scope of its request, but otherwise sticking to its guns.